Alright, we'll set up for a landing. A couple landings. Alright everybody, welcome to spring. It doesn't feel like it and it doesn't look like it. It's actually really cold right now. Probably not quite 40. It's supposed to get into the high 40s, but I don't think it's quite 40. But what we have here, this is my original timber number 1. This is the one that I had skis on it earlier this winter. It's also the one that I damaged and did a repair. I wanted to rip the landing gear off and did a repair putting the landing gear back on. I took the skis off. There we go. I took the skis off this morning because it doesn't look like we're going to get any snow probably before it warms up. So I'm going to go ahead and just go with the wheels. But today is a test flight after the repair. That's all this is. It's going to be a retrim and everything. I'm going to have to put some, there we go. Set my trims a little bit. We're going to do a retrim on this thing and see how it works. Yeah, she didn't want to. Oh, I just have a little sticky wheel, don't I? A little sticky wheel. Yeah, the wheel froze up. That's alright, not for long. I'm going to give it just a little tweak. Not exactly. Turning, really want.
Motors armed.
Wow. I'm going to have to fix that. Timer's only set for 5 minutes because I did not bring my big battery out. I've been having problems with them. Wow, alright. I'm going to kill the battery on this thing and figure that wheel up. I ended up changing the old nuts off the wheels, the nylon locking nuts. The old ones are kind of worn out, so I might have had it a little too tight on that side. So I put a new nut on there, and the new nylon in the nut caught a little bit earlier than the old one, so we won't know. We'll watch it closely here. These are some worn out tires. It seems to be operating pretty nice, so we'll go with that. There we go. I do have the gyro turned off just for trimming. She does want to have a bring it back around. What do they want to do? Still wants to go to their. That's better. I think the pitch trim's okay. I can give it a little down. I think we're good with that. This is my first time flying since into January.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Expo on.
A little gusty here and there, not big deal.
Attitude mode. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Well, I'm going to try a couple things here. See how much power this actually has. Pretty good. Advertised power. All right, we'll set up for a landing. Couple landings.
Time remaining 1 minute. Manual mode. Takeoff flaps.
Not bad.
Timer start. Timer start.
I have not heard my alarm going off.
Takeoff flaps. Timer start. Landing flaps.
That's me.
One minute over.
Go around. A little bit of a breeze kicking in here once in a while. I can see it. I can't feel it. Might be just I'm not used to this spot too.
Timer start. Timer start. Timer start. Takeoff flaps. Timer start. Timer start. Timer start.
Oh well. Can't say that I learned a whole lot. I think I got my cruise trim fine, but She flies a little fishy, and it could be just because I'm a little rusty and I'm not used to this spot. I'll try to squeeze this in today. So looking at it, everything seems to be working good. All my lights are working. Landing lights, beacons, upper and lower beacons, yep. So we're good. Oops, back that out. I just need to finesse the trims on this thing so that when I use this, or I let my buddy use this thing for a trainer, it will be fully operational. Like I said before, I'm going to let him use this one, my first one here, as a trainer. It's the one that's been repaired and rebuilt. Because I'm not too worried about it. If something happens to this, I still have my other timber that is almost new. And I can always replace this with the turbo if this gets really demolished. So this is a perfect one to let him practice on. Alright guys, this is all for this. A little cold, my hands are getting cold. We got it back in one piece, figured out the wheel problem. So that's it. Thanks for watching.